Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add password to PDF. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So I'm going to open this PDF file. So the first step, you simply need to open that file with the Word. So here let me select the Word. Okay, and click on OK. Then you need to click on OK again. So let the file be fetched here. Okay, so now this file is open. Then you need to click on file and click on save and click on desktop, and here you need to select the PDF and name this file. So I'm going to select 123, and here you need to click on options and click on encrypt the document with a password and click on OK, and here you need to put the password. So I'm going to put a password here. So password should be 6 characters, so let me select the 6 character. Okay, and click on OK and click on save. So now we need to go back and check that while this file is working or not. So it will take few seconds to save. Okay, so now this is the file. So here you can see that it is password protected. So this is the simple process by which you can add password to PDF. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.